Yes, hello traders, welcome to another new week, and let's jump into the charts on USD. Let's see where we are in terms of the levels and what opportunities we can be able to get. So we are at a peak high. We have one level of drop, second level of drop, right? Third level of drop. So we are anticipating this market to form a peak low. Then we can get a potential buy opportunity in USD. That is what we are looking for today, Monday, and see if the dealers are going to give us this peak low for a potential buy opportunity in USD. To keep it right, that is one level of drop as I'm boxing them. This is the second level of drop, and this is the third level of drop to these lows here, right? So the market can do two things. They either give us a peak low, right, and shift the price to bullish as we have projected, or the market can go into a range for some days, spike below these lows, and then shift the market into bullish move. All right, so we'll set our buy orders at that zone there, right, and we'll see what the dealers will be able to do this week, right? So this is my projection, right? We will have our buy orders in place, and we'll do the market execution. So currently, as I'm doing this illustration, we don't have our entry candlestick pattern has not been issued in the second leg, so we still have to wait patiently until we're able to see it, is when we can do the market execution. But we will set our buy orders in place, and just in case the market shifts maybe over the Asian session, we'll be able to be in the market. All right, if it doesn't, we'll still have to wait maybe until Tuesday morning and see if we can get a buy opportunity day trading. All right, so this is what I'm looking at USD for a potential peak low, and let's observe and see what's going to happen throughout the week, and we'll see whether we're going to get into the money. If it is your first time to come across this channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified in future anytime we'll be uploading these tutorials. So what we will be doing here is staying patient. A lot of patience is required here as the market is developing, and we'll only react when the dealers issue the second leg. They already issued the second leg. Only when they issue our entry candlestick pattern on the second leg of this W. This pattern is visible on all time frames. You just have to do your back testing in the 1 hour, 4 hour, but currently I'm on the 4 hour, right? So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. This is the second day on Tuesday, and potential we have a low of the day buy opportunity in USD, right? So looking at this pattern, how it's setting up, this is a high probability trade opportunity for us to take for a low of the day, right? The entry candlestick pattern has been issued, Morningstar, and we've accepted the risk. Let's see if the dealers are going to shift the price. My first target is going to be at the Asian high, right? The blue box presents Asian accumulation, and my take profit is going to be at that Asian high, and then we see how the day will end. All right, so remember, we identified our levels, we counted our levels, we have 3 levels of drop. We're still looking for a buy opportunity in USD. All right, so today being Tuesday, this is what the dealers have presented on the charts: a potential low of the day type 1 buy opportunity. All right, so looking at how they've come out of the Asian session, right? London pushed price coming back low, right? They're still continue to induce people to continue selling until when they have accumulated enough orders on the opposite side, is when they will shift the market into the direct opposite direction. So we're still in profit in USD, right? The market is moving slow, so let's wait and see how this day is going to turn up. The first thing you need to do is always have a plan, right? Develop a plan, like how you saw. My plan is I came to the higher time frame, looked for a peak high, I counted my levels, And so certainly I know I'm anticipating this market is going to go into my direction, and I waited patiently. On Monday we didn't get any trade, right? So today is on Tuesday. This is what we are seeing on the charts. So let's wait and see if this trade is going to go into our direction, being a second day of trading, looking for USDZAR, right? So the market is still currently ranging. We haven't gotten into any good profits that we're looking for. The market is a bit slow and it's ranging. So whatever happens at this point in time, the risk was accepted. We entered into the market. Anything can happen here, all right? If they don't have enough orders to move this price into the intended direction, the market will still continue ranging until they have enough orders to move this market. So this is all that you have to do. You'll experience things like this when you enter into the market and the market doesn't move one time as you anticipate. So we don't move the market as retail traders, right? So identify your levels, wait patiently for the opportunities to come your direction, and once they do, that is when you start engaging the market, like how we're doing today, Tuesday morning. We've engaged it, and let's wait and see whether it's going to go into our direction. We want to make our tutorials to be short and precise, to the point, and so on this day, on Tuesday, we actually did not make any money trading these USDZAR low of the day buy opportunity, because the market just consolidated for the entire day. So for this particular day, I scratched this one off, and it's not every day that you're going to come to the market and make profits. So this was a loss for me, and I'll come back on Wednesday, look for a similar opportunity, and if the dealers provide it, we will be able to take it a day. All right. So for the best result that you can be able to get, go back on these dates, do your back testing, and see exactly what happens on that date. So this is on a Wednesday. Finally, day 3, USDZAR was able to take off. Our buy orders were activated, right? We also did a market execution during the New York market open on Wednesday. We got a bullish engulfing candle as one of the entry signal candlestick pattern. We accept the risk, and this is the results that we have here. So our 2 positions were taken out already in profits, right? The market execution and the buy orders have also been taken out. So the trade actually has been closed out of this illustration that I'm showing you right here. All right, so we prepared from Monday. We looked at our levels on Monday. We anticipated what the market is going to do. We waited patiently on Wednesday. We got an opportunity, but the market didn't take off. And then finally on the 3rd day, on Wednesday, the market has finally taken off. All right, so all that it requires is patience, preparation, and wait for the best time to strike into the market and get out of the market with profit, whatever the opportunities will be presented to you. All right, so this tutorial is a little bit longer because I wanted to show you the entire process. I hope you'll be able to follow and go do your back testing on the charts. If you have any other questions or you want to reach out to me, kindly feel free to engage me on the comment section down below. I'll be able to answer and guide you in the best ways that I can. All right. Others, guys, thank you very much for taking your time to watch these tutorials, liking the videos, and sharing your comments. All right. I do appreciate every engagement, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you, and be safe.